Mommy's little pumpkin. Hey, JJ. Look at your little pumpkin suit. Come here. Looky here. See the ball? Go on. Go get the ball. You like the little ball? What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? What you got? Huh? What you got? Who's that knocking at the door? Is that your sister? Is that your sister? You gonna give it to me? You gonna let me have it? You gonna let me have it? Huh? No? You're not gonna let me have it? No? What you got? What is that? Is that your little soccer ball? So this is Halloween, and you're in your new costume. Oops. Oh, don't lick the camera. Don't lick the camera. Come here, let me have it. Let me have it. Gonna let me have it? Gonna let me have it? No? No, you're not, are you? You're not gonna let me have it, are you, huh? You're not gonna let me have it? You're such a cutie, aren't you? You're such a cutie, aren't you, huh? You know it too, don't you? You know it too. Okay. Say thank you, Patty, Mommy, for my new costume. I like it. I'm not messing with it. Bye. Say goodbye.